Woody.
Let's eat the leaf of life, man.
Okay, you heard the man. You wanna eat this one? Okay.
2 individual ones again? Think you pick the fatter leaf then?
You wanted the fatter leaf. This is from that tree. This is that. Your one is from over there.
I pick one of the big one.
Huh? You want the big?
Wash it off.
Yeah.
It stinks, man.
Yeah. That's the life. Okay, so we're gonna eat this leaf of life. And if we don't wake up in the morning, then you know why. Cheers.
So me eat leaf like me a goat.
It's healthy for us. Okay. I think we should just make it into a tea. Yeah, a little bit. No. Tastes like
bitter.
poison.
Dead we dead tomorrow.
Okay, let's chew a bit. Ready?
Alright.
1, 2, 3.
People say shall me eat leaf like me a goat.
Oh, what's it went on my foot! Oh no.
Don't try this at home, people. It's not nice.
See? It's not that bad, is it? Yeah. It's not that bad. Yes. So I just got back from shopping. It is so hot outside. I did quite a big shush you.
First time doing it, guys.
So there needs to be 5 braids, but they're gonna obviously like this braid is gonna be smaller.
5
than
on
this.
one side and 5 on the other side.
Yes, but the braid's hair is gonna be smaller than the braid's hair. Okay. Did you guys hear that? Such a waste of a mango. Ah, mine. Heh. Look. So guys, today has been literally a mangoes galore day. I picked up about, and these were trash mangoes by the way, so, or rotten mangoes, whatever, about 400 mangoes that dropped on the ground and have been there for a little while. And I've been able to pick about 16 mangoes today. So what I did was I actually blended, which let me get that for you. I blended some mangoes and I froze them. So I've only got this small ice cube tray, so this is what I'm using. And I'm making some mango cubes that look like this. And you can use them for a smoothie, or you can just eat them or whatever. So yeah, I have a lot more mangoes to juice and freeze. So yeah, so we have 7 trees, 3 different varieties. So we have Bombay mango, which is the one on the left, the middle one is Judy mango, and the one on the end is East Indian, and my favorite is Bombay. It's one of the best. I don't know what's wrong with my puppy. Ow, ow. Luna. Hey guys, so I think I'm actually gonna end off this vlog right here. It is not the end of the week, but it is Wednesday, and I don't think there's gonna be much to do. But I do want to start another vlog because Georgia should be coming here on Friday, so I'm gonna get this video out. Well, you'll be seeing it on Thursday. So yeah, I want to get this video out by before Friday. So yeah. New things have been happening, have been in the works. I actually have started training to become a gymnastics coach here in Jamaica. It's something that I actually was doing prior to the whole like Rona situation in London, and you know, it kind of just stopped really abruptly. So yeah, I'm in training right now. Today was my second day. It was kind of a little bit more of a boring day. There was just a lot of reading, but it's good because it's a refresh for me as well. So yeah, this is like me going back into work after obviously, you know, everything kind of just completely shutting down. So it's been over a year and 3 months, so it's a bit weird to kind of, obviously I was working before over here as well, but it was like on my time. So now, once obviously I finish training, it's gonna be like a schedule, so that's really nice for me because I do like work better when I have a schedule. And some consistency as well throughout my days, so that's going to be really cool. It has changed the plan up a little bit because we were supposed to be going back to Mandeville. So for me, it's going to be slightly different, but honestly, I'm just going to take it step by step and just see what, you know, how everything kind of pans out. But for now, I'm in Kingston. I've been in Kingston for, you know, a very long time. Imagine guys, Georgia was supposed to be here in January. Her first flight was in January, so we're all the way in June. So I'm not gonna say no to any opportunity. I'm just gonna say yes and just see how it best fits in with my life right now. So yeah, that's some new things that's happening with me, and I just want to just keep this journey very true and very real, and that, you know, things happen and some things don't happen, and yeah, that's just how life goes really. But I'm really excited about this kind of new journey for me. I just got back in really. It was thunder and raining, and it's raining right now, as you can see from the previous clips as well. That was yesterday. So yeah, today is also rainy, and I think it's meant to be, I mean, hurricane season is, you know, here or approaching or whatever. So yeah, I did do a little bit of shopping, and the water situation today is terrible. Like, there's hardly any water, and I have dishes to wash, and it's just taking a very long time for water to accumulate for me to do things, so that's really annoying. But yeah guys, hope you guys like this kind of short video, vlog I should say. Thank you guys for sticking around. Make sure to comment, like, share, subscribe, press the notification bell so you guys know every time we post a video. Stay safe and stay tuned. Peace guys.